HVAC sizing just got audited. Starting with the 2025 Energy Code, HVAC sizing rules for new construction and additions change. Load calculations are required, oversizing is no longer allowed, and heat pump controls must prevent electric resistance heat above 35 degrees. These values are field verified. Mistakes now lead to failed inspections, redesigns, or permit delays. Replacements follow different rules, but new work must be precise. EFCA helps contractors size systems correctly and pass inspections the first time. Follow Efficiency First California or join us before HVAC mistakes cost you time and profits.